And we're here with the Onelink Safe and Sound. It's a smart smoke and carbon monoxide alarm. It also has Alexa built in. So you just talk to Alexa, you can ask it to play music, you can ask it about your schedule, you could set multi-room so that multiple units play the same song. And it's a premium speaker that actually leverages your home's ceiling as an acoustic backdrop for a great sound experience. Hey Alexa, play music.
Here's a station you might like. Buffalo Springfield from Amazon Music.
There's something happening here. What it is ain't exactly clear. There's a man with a gun over there.
Alexa, cancel. So this product is also HomeKit enabled, so you're able to set scenes and triggers, and it will also support AirPlay 2 as soon as that becomes available.